Where do you? How do you learn this shit, dude?
I watch a lot of keyboard YouTubers, bro.
Fair. Yeah, so you can learn anything from these.
Yeah,
YouTube
it's time for that Kush keyboard, bro. Tapi after this, I need to buy keycaps, eh? I'll just get it in the States.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this chopper, Andrew.
Oh shit, okay. And then the paintbrush and lube, that's it. So, yeah.
One dude's coming towards the scav.
Fuck, I don't think I'm...
He said it there, he said it there. Two people. Yep, they're in that building.
I got it! Nice kit! Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, dude. That was too sloppy, man. Why didn't he go for the chopper?
I don't know.
Catch, man. Good. Alright. Yeah, cause I'm still a beginner and shit, so... Oh, somebody's here, dude. What the hell?
Really? Oh shit.
Yeah, oh my god, fuck me!
Where?
Upstairs, top of the stairs. Fuck me, the timing. Two people.
If they survive, they can redeploy.
Fuck, man. Is it just... Alright, I killed him. Wait, there's only one...
What?
There's only one guy that he killed. I don't know where the other guy went.
There was two. Okay, who did you kill? The red guy or...
No, not the red guy.
Okay, there's a red guy, that flash skin.
Got gas moving in.
Holy shit, what a party.
When I went up there, it was just that the one dude was there. He parachuted so I can kill him. He went downstairs.
There's the most wanted there. Oh, there's people ahead of us. I saw him just over there.
Do you want to kill the most wanted actually?
That... Here, they're fighting. Oh my god, I killed him. Somebody's here, Andrew.
I know. Most... Oh, okay. Just ignore the most wanted. He's reading the chopper.
We can buy Lodi if you want. He's above us.
Yeah.
He might push. He's in the ground floor, Andrew.
Oh, fuck. He's in the stairs. Aduh, my bad. I thought we were pushing inside.
Oh my god, no!
Where was he?
That was my bad, dude. The other friend was in the ground floor. He made it. Honestly, the dualies were so fucking... Oh my god, he's AFK.
It's a mil sim!
Stand by for redeployment.
Outdoor, I can't see his change, but indoor, it's kind of like glow in the dark.
Really? Is that... Oh, what the heck? Do your gloves become reactive too?
Yeah.
Clock's ticking. Get to the target.
That is hella far. Oh!
You can go. You can actually go back here. There's still loot there. Yeah, chill out.
Let's get the loadie first. I'm
Gross.
gonna go to the roof.
Are you ghosted?
I'm not ghosted. I'm going to Ukit.
Enemy vehicle.
Oh, nice.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I downed this buddy in the back. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. Let's go back first.
Recon intel secured.
Here if you need anything else, Andrew. I already have a precision.
Gas is inbound.
Alright, I bought a UAV.
Safe zone.
Cool.
What is the move here, though?
Beautiful. Trade, you said? I'm down for it.
We gotta cross from there, though. I say.
Yeah, let's swing. Let's swing.
Swing left.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Let's get up. I don't know if anyone's on top, but. Oh fuck! Oh, they're shooting us.
One's on top of the...
Where are they?
Let's keep moving.
Are they on top of the buildings already?
No, I don't think so. One was on the ground level. Okay, yeah, let's go to the roof. Let's get to the roof. People here too, Andrew. I'm moving up towards the bridge thing.
They're here today. They were here today, so
Marking target location.
I don't know. I feel like we should watch the rappel as well.
Yeah, they might come up here though.
Moving.
And I'm a
Okay.
bit concerned of the people from here, from that apartment.
You wanna
thing.
just go to the middle then, like right now?
Yeah, I'm down, I'm down.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, people here, Andrew. South. Crossing the road in this complex. Here.
Contact.
I have no angle there.
Oh, he
Oh, fuck!
Fire.
Enemy
He sniped me, man. As soon as I was fucking peeking.
Take cover.
Run. Yeah.
There's people down
Just give me a few, kid.
here.
Contact.
I'm under fire.
I'm getting
Down.
sniped from left. I'm getting sniped from the left side. Again.
Here, Andrew, more.
It's okay.
One more.
It's okay.
Gas is inbound. Body armor here.
Okay, let's move here. Let's move here.
I'm getting sniped from that direction, bro. Yeah. Let's do it.
Copy.
Let's just stay here and hold.
Our team's
We
in
have the
the
high
People
ground.
have died here. Yeah. Can you watch the flank? Do you want to watch the flank? I'll watch this wrap.
Yeah. I'll watch here. Oh, right side. Boneyard.
Safe zone relocated.
Cool.
No one behind us,
Okay,
kid.
we have the high ground. I say we hold this this platform thing.
Yes, this guy's a fucking
Just wanna make
Swiss.
sure.
I'm gonna use this shit, bro.
I'm just making sure. No one sneaks up from behind us, my man.
I don't think there's anyone there. Okay, we can keep an eye out.
Never
There's
know,
two
dude.
people here.
Something's been through here.
Yeah, I know. That's why it was the people who clustered us.
Yeah, they're baiting.
They're just bait. They're
baiting, they're baiting.
Yeah. Check the rappel.
10 enemies remain.
What rappel? This one?
Yeah, the one on our
Okay,
left.
Kid, you watch the most wanted from the right side. Stay here and watch the left. I'll watch
Copy.
the boneyard.
What is that most one guy doing?
There's one guy there.
Knowledge waypoint reports.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he accidentally took it. Who knows? There's people here, bro.
Knowledge
Oh, they're getting shot.
Contact.
Oh my god, I haven't sniped all game. I'm just gonna.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Should we just come in here?
Moving.
Yeah, we could.
Okay.
Precision.
Take cover.
Get away from Andrew. Get away from He might climb up the rappel.
Losing ground.
No, he did not.
There.
the safe zone.
Oh my god, this is pretty bad, bro. If you
Yeah,
wanna go
let's to
from the right.
the
You
rappel.
have a gas mask?
No. Let's stay up here, Andrew.
I don't know. I'm watching from here. There's people in the gas station.
Acknowledge waypoint reports.
Yeah, there's people behind there.
Yeah.
How many air shots does this guy have?
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
It's on us, kids. It's on us.
Yeah.
I'll watch left. You watch right.
Gas is closing in. Get to the safe zone.
Tell me if you need help. Let me know if you need help.
There's people on our right. I'm going to the right there.
Molotov.
People here, kid, on the left.
Be advised. Friendly inbound.
They're moving right.
Wait.
Let's go! TC! Let's fucking go, bro! First game! Get that shit out of here! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! First game back. Let's fucking go! Oh my goodness! Shout out to Suki's! You fucking bitch! Oh my goodness!
Okay, wait, give me a second, Andrew. My
Yeah,
dad's
yeah,
moved
yeah,
down
yeah.
the corridor.
Yeah. Shout out to Suki, man. Shout out to Suki. GG, boys. GG. You know, it's getting fucking easy out here, boys.